The H1B guy here. And today, will the H1B 60 days grace period be extended to 180 days by USCIS? But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention the H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues and the recruitment process, bringing awareness to employment based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's post is brought to you by Syndesis and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, by PERM-ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process, and by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner, Mob Squad, has a solution. Join the squad. Well, H1B layoffs and the options for individuals who've been impacted by these layoffs have been widely covered here on this platform and across numerous other outlets going back for almost a year now. On March 10th, 2023, USCIS updated options for non-immigrant workers following termination of employment. It goes on to state when individuals on H-1B visas lose their jobs, they may think they have no other option but to leave the United States within 60 days. However, if they are eligible, they may take one of the following actions to remain in the country. And these include file for a change of non immigrant status, file for an adjustment of status, apply for a compelling circumstances employment authorization document, or be the beneficiary of a non frivolous petition to change employer. If one of these actions is taken within the grace period, the H-1B period of authorized stay can exceed 60 days. However, if no action is taken, they and their dependents may need to leave the U.S. within 60 days. A period of authorized stay usually includes the period when a timely filed non frivolous petition or application requesting an extension of stay or change of status is pending with USCIS. I've commented many times that a 60 days grace period for H-1B visa holders who lose their jobs is just not enough time to find a new employer, file the necessary paperwork, and receive a decision from USCIS. This is especially true given the complexity, bureaucratic nature, and borderline incompetency within the walls of USCIS that has existed over the past several years. The pressure and uncertainty of potentially having to leave the country within 60 days and completely uprooting your life can also add unnecessary stress and anxiety for H-1B holders who may already be in a vulnerable position. Additionally, some workers may not be aware of the options available to them and, as a result, may not be able to take advantage of them within their very limited time frame. I honestly believe a longer grace period would give H-1B visa holders more time to explore their options and make more informed decisions about their next steps, ultimately benefiting both the individuals and their prospective employer, as well as the U.S. economy. The White House initiative on Asian American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islanders, known as the WHIAA-NHPI, met on Tuesday, March 14th, where they heard recommendations from their Immigration and Citizenship Status Subcommittee, which presented the following recommendations that I found relevant to the USCIS update from March 10th. The commission recommended that USCIS extend the grace period for H-1B workers from 60 days to 180 days to allow for those who have lost their jobs to find a new sponsor. The commission also recommended that USCIS grant EADs and travel documents to individuals who have approved I-140 employment-based visa petitions in EB1, EB2, and EB3 categories who have been waiting in the visa backlog for 5 or more years, regardless of whether they filed for their applications for adjustment of status. The recommendation to extend the H-1B grace period to 180 days was approved by the WHI and NHPI. However, the automatic EAD vote was postponed. Increasing the grace period to 180 days provides a more reasonable timeline for H-1B visa holders to transition out of their current situation. Additionally, the longer grace period can benefit U.S. employers by allowing them more time to identify and hire high skilled H-1B employees. Extending the H-1B grace period to 180 days provides just a better balance between the needs of the H-1B visa holder and the interests of U.S. employers, and is a positive step towards a fair and more equitable immigration system. I'll continue to monitor this situation very closely. I hope that we have an update sometime over the next 2 to 3 months. And we'll find out soon enough if USCIS will heed the WHIAA NHPI's recommendation to extend the H-1B grace period past the current 60 days to 180 days. For the full post on will the H-1B 60-day grace period be extended to 180 days by USCIS, please check out the H1BGuy.com. And a reminder that today's post is brought to you by Syndesus and Path to Canada, the ideal plan B for high-skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H-1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesus and Path to Canada are your answers. They'll gladly help you navigate the process, and if you'd like to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesus or Path to Canada will be in touch. And also by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your costs and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa related uncertainty remain working with their current U.S. company, nearshore from Canada, as well as technology professionals from around the world who are seeking an opportunity to find a rewarding career in North America. Through their partnership with the Canadian government, they can obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in as little as 8 weeks. So, whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. company or you want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the video description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.